Threads is a new application from Meta and it is a direct competitor of Twitter. Twitter was initially released and got huge popularity across the world due to its openness, but since Elon Musk has obtained it, he has made quite a restrictive changes in terms of user interaction, APIs, and lot of other things. That is why the timing for the release of this new Threads application by Meta, which is a parent company of Instagram, couldn't be much better. It already has passed 75 million users a day after launching. Users currently love the application. Without any decentralization, Meta has deployed the infrastructure to keep threads running without much pain. They have found few bugs, but they are not really extremely uh, hin- hindering. And the overall performance of this thread is very impressive given the load which is it is receiving every day. It has probably become the fastest scaling application ever we have seen in the world. I haven't seen any influx of bots or the flood of the automated software in the threads yet, and malicious users are being banned or reported pretty immediately. The algorithm behind this thread seems quite intelligent, and as we all know that this was initially conceived as a social network that supports activity pub, which is a protocol used by Mastodon, Lemmy, which is again a Reddit style aggregator. Okay, now this activity promises portability between applications, allowing users to interact or follow threads users from other applications. And Instagram is one example, as it natively integrates with it. Now, the thing is that start is very good for threads, but what I believe is that especially in the countries like India and Pakistan, where the regulations and the laws are not that mature, and harassment and getting too personal is very common. Also, politics and religion are very sensitive. I know they are sensitive everywhere, but especially in India and Pakistan, they are very sensitive. So I believe if the authorities there would regulate this from the start before it becomes a monster like Twitter, then it will be cool. Such as in Pakistan, a lot of the entities are using the Twitter to harness their agenda and then just balloon the concept out of the proportion, which is really creating a lot of social unrest. So I believe that with the threads start, they should regulate it from the day one. And yes, openness should be there. It shouldn't be choking. But I believe that social media, especially these medium through which the masses converse, they should be regulated. They shouldn't be without any control. So if you're a user of thread, then I think we need all to be responsible, and then it shouldn't be contentious to converse there. The goal should be progress together and evolve together. I hope that this was useful. If you have any ideas or thoughts on it, please share. Thank you very much.